You know, last year we started this initiative. Let me just see if the screen works. Okay, no, we start with the mural project. Yeah, so last year I started joining as a volunteer in this lovely community for some community building. We decided to involve an organization that is quite famous in the, not very famous in the city, which is called Baz-Art. And Baz-Art takes care of murals, so large-scale artworks. You probably have seen them in the city. There are some also in our community, and they build an international public art festival every year. If you can go to the, maybe scroll down a little bit, Nikki, on the next. Yeah, that one. Okay. It's fine. Sorry, it's me that I had. Here we go. PDF. So the International Public Art Festival creates community building projects as well, of course, as murals. And we decided to involve them in our community to help us uplift our area and also be together and also find value in the historical part of our area. So we have started engaging with them a couple of months ago, and there have been some of our walls in our area being volunteered. And we have, up until now, we have 6 or 7 walls that have been applying for participating in the International Public Art Festival, which will be held from the 14th to the 18th of February. What Baz-Art does help the community to be together, make a selection of artists, international and South African, and assist us in creating a representation of our environment. Art also is an element that can help us, upgrading the area, uplifting us, and also helping us with the value of our houses, because Baz-Art also help us to, in general, renew and renovate the facade of our area. So if you scroll down a little bit, this year the main topic is co-act and collaboration, and they focus on placemaking. So what they do is not only they select some artists and they assist us in engaging with them to create artworks in our area, but they start creating a place for people to develop as well in interest in the tourism in our area, and they create devices like app or 3D elements to empower the communities to also create our own guided tour and art tour. So this was a thought as a way to be together, know each other, represent each other in all our differences and our values, but also to create possibilities for the development of some economies and help us to uplift in general the vibe and the energy in our neighborhood. So yes, so Gardens Watch has been very, very helpful, and I also want to thank you, our ward councillor and Ryan Patterson, for engaging in this project. We're still in the making of it. We need to have some, of course, community involvement. So I would like to ask you to please let me know if you are interested in supporting it, if you have ideas where this mural could be. Baz-Art has developed, especially in Salt River and in Woodstock, around 130 murals that today are part of the community and that the community uses for their empowerment. And if you can scroll down, Nikki, I placed here a little bit of like what are the benefits of it. Everything that is going to be on a wall has, of course, a public art permit that must be acquired before we start. And we have more or less until November to apply. So if there is anyone interested in volunteering a wall of some ideas, please contact me of Baz-Art. I put some of the contacts in the next slide. The email is hello@baz-art.co.za. You can also contact me, and I'm acting as an intermediary for this event. And last but not least, there is another slide. Down is our Halloween that we're very proud of. Last year we started engaging with the first event to try to build some community. We started focusing on children. It was very successful. And this year we're repeating it. So it's going to be on the 29th of October. We decided to keep it on a Sunday evening so that it can be also more suitable for families. So we already have around 35 children who have enrolled to trick-or-treat in our streets around Maynard and Scott Street. We have put in place the patrol team, thanks to Adam, to taking care of it. And then we will also close the streets and have the group of children divided in smaller ones, so with parents, of course, accompanying. And I want to thank everyone who has RSVP'd already to be dressing up and opening their doors to trick-or-treat for the children. And we can't wait to share, you know, this nice vibe with you, and also a lot of nice pictures. We will, this year, thanks to an idea of Dagmar, we will also introduce a little award for the best dress. So please don't be shy and get dressed. Parents, children, and whoever wants to be with us on Sunday. We're very excited about it. And yeah, that was me.